Hello, good morning students. Yesterday we discussed about sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. Two, 4, 6 and so on. 20. This is the example question. First, we have to find n number of terms. You know the formula L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Here last term or an 20 is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into d means 2. A means first term, d means 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. 20 minus 2 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. Okay. 18 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 18. n minus 1 is equal to 18 by 2. n minus 1 is equal to, here 2 1 ja 2 9 ja, that is equal to 9. n minus 1 is equal to 9, n is equal to 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10. Okay. So there are 10 terms in between 2 and 20. Already in previous class we discussed about n. So here sum of n terms is equal to, what is the formula? n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. n means 10. Okay. n means 10. 10 minus 1 into d, that is equal to 2. Here 5, 2 5 is 10. 4 plus, here 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 means 9. 9 into 2. Okay. That is equal to 5 into 4 plus 18. That is equal to 5 into 22. That is equal to 110. In previous classes I explained about the product of 5. 22 into 5 means you divide by 2 and keep 0. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 0, 1 1 0. Okay. Next, another topic. Given a is equal to 5 and d is equal to a is equal to 5, d is equal to 3, an is equal to 50. Find n and Sn. First term given and common difference also given, nth term also given. We have to find n and Sn. You know the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. an means 50 is equal to a means 5 plus n minus 1. We have to find n minus 1 into d, how much? 3. So 50 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. So n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 45. 50 minus 5 is equal to 45 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 45. n minus 1 is equal to 45 by 3. n minus 1 is equal to 15. n is equal to 15 plus 1, that is equal to 16. So another important thing is, you know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d. So we know this formula. Now sum of n terms is equal to, when we know first term and last term, the formula is n by 2 into a plus l. Okay. How many terms we have? 16. So S16 is equal to 16 by 2 into a means first term, yes, l means 50. L and a and both are same, 50. 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja. That is equal to 8 into 55. That is equal to 440. 8 5 is 40, 8 5 is 40 plus 4, 44. Okay. So this is another problem. This is arithmetic progression. Second exercise, third Roman model. Okay. Next, a is equal to 7. A is equal to 7. A13 is equal to 35. Find D and S13. Yes, 13. A13 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A13, 35 is equal to, 13 means, a means 7 plus 13 minus 1 into d. 35 is equal to 7 plus 12d. 35 minus 7, transpose 7 to left side, that is equal to 12d. 28 is equal to 12d. 12d is equal to 28. d is equal to 28 by 12. 4 3 ja, 4 7, that is equal to 7 by 3. So common difference is 7 by 3. We have to find S13. S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 2a. 2 into 7 plus 13 minus 1 into d means 7 by 3. Okay. That is equal to 13 by 2. 14 plus 12 into 7 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. That is equal to 13 by 2 into 14 plus 28. How much? 14 plus 28. 14 plus 28, 42. 2 1 ja, 2 21 ja. So answer is 273. Given A13, A12 is equal to 37, A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3, find A and S12. Given A12 is equal to 37. A12 means A plus 11D is equal to 37. A plus 11 into D given 3 is equal to 37. A plus 33 is equal to 37. A is equal to 37 minus 33, that is equal to 37 minus 33, that is equal to 4. So we know D and A. Next, so the value of A is equal to 4. We have to find S12. 12 by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. You know the value, all the values A and D. 12 by 2 means 6 into 2 into 4 2 into 4 plus n number of terms. 12 minus 1 into D means 3. 6 into 8 plus 11 into 3. 6 into 8 plus 33. 6 into 33 plus 8, 41. 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24, that is equal to 246. A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125. Find D and A10. So A3 is equal to 15. A3 means A plus 2D is equal to 15. Next, S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1. N means 10 into D. It is equal to 5 into 2A plus 9D. That is equal to 5 into S1 how much? 125. 5 into 2A plus 9D. 125 by 5 is equal to 2A plus 9D. 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 5 5. 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. We can write it so this one is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. A plus 2D is equal to 15. 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. Solving 1 and 2. So you should equate any one term, A or D or this constant term. Now I am multiplying first equation with then third equation will become 2a plus 4d is equal to 15 2 ja 30. 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 2 ja 4 2 5 2 15 ja 30. Now 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Subtract second equation from first. Minus 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 2a cancel. Minus 5d is equal to 5. D is equal to minus 5. Five d is equal to minus 5, d is equal to minus 5 by 5, that is equal to minus 1. So we have to find a10, a plus 9d. We know the value of a is equal to substitute d is equal to minus 1 in first equation. What is the first equation? A plus a plus a plus 2d is equal to 15. A plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15. A minus 2 is equal to 15. A is equal to 17. So A10 is equal to A plus 9d. A means 17 plus 9 into minus 1. That is equal to 17 minus 9 1 ja 9, plus into minus minus 17 minus 9, that is equal to 8. Okay.